Let's dive into Remote Park Assist, designed to help you park effortlessly while you control the car from outside. You can activate Auto Park Assist using the APA button on the center console or from the infotainment screen using the Quick Access display, the widget, or the app launcher. Once you press the APA button, the system will check for a few prerequisites. All doors, tailgate, and bonnet must be closed. Seat belts fastened. ORVMs must be unfolded. Gear and drive, keep speed under 15 km per hour. If anything's missing or if it detects an obstacle, APA will pause. If the pause lasts more than 30 seconds, the system cancels the parking maneuvers and you'll need to start again. Using ultrasonic sensors, the car will start searching for parking spots on both sides. It's like having an extra set of eyes to find the perfect spot. Once a suitable slot is detected, the system will prompt you to confirm the parking space. Select the desired slot on the screen. Now choose how you'd like to park, inside using Auto Park or from outside using Remote Park. Since the space is tight, let's go with Remote Park. To use Remote Park Assist, shift the car into park. The system is now ready for remote control. Before starting, make sure the car is in parking mode. All doors, bonnet, and tailgate are closed and the vehicle is locked. Press and hold the parking button on the key fob to begin. Keep it held until the parking is complete. And that's it. With the Remote Auto Park Assist, parking in tight spaces has never been easier. Sit back, relax, and let your Harrier.ev do the work. To pause, just release the parking button. If you don't resume within 30 seconds, the system will cancel the parking operation. You can park your car remotely in both perpendicular and parallel spots using key fob. It's designed for convenience in every situation. Park too tight? Don't worry. If your car is stuck using Auto Park Assist, there's no need to squeeze in. Just use the remote park out feature. To get started, long press the lock button to remotely start your car. Then, long press the unlock button and watch your car glide out of the spot completely hands-free.
TATA.tv